Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Motor Beast. Please subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, link in the description.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Motor Beast. As you can get from the thumbnail, this is going to be a Hyundai i20 4th generation. So all new of i20. First is first, let's open the engine. So this is the engine of turbo GDI of i20 new 4th generation, and battery placement is here. This engine has total 3 engines, diesel variant of 1500cc and 2 petrol engines, IMT and manual transmission and automatic. So there are total 3 engines, no installation of engine boot, disappointing of this price segment. So this is the engine, it's a petrol variant now, and IMT of 1200cc engine. So in diesel it get 1500cc 1.5 liter, and in petrol you get 1.2 liter. So nice color treatment of grey and red finish. So first is first, see the headlamps. So in detail here you can see the i20 badge and nice LED DRLs of headlights and projected setup, cornering lights and bulbs of indicator, disappointing of not LEDs. And here you can see the fog lamps are projected again, nice treatment and aerodynamic design. See the air vents of aerodynamic, and you can release a hot air from the engine. Piano black finish of fog lamps design. So coming to the front, here you can see the tiger grille open and diamond cut tiger grille, and very nice treatment, very unique and attractive design, aerodynamic design, aggressive. And here you can see the Hyundai badge at the front. Number plate placement is very low and bumper is very nice. In detail you can see the sharp cuts of bumper lower side. Very nice, very nice. And here you can see the toning hook, and toning hook also in the nice aerodynamic design. Here you can see, so completely fixed. And so coming to the side, this is a tire of i20, and here you can see the dual tone chrome treatment, and the way the design is very nice, black and chrome treatment of alloy wheels. So these cuts of alloy wheels is very nice. See the in detail you can see, very nice design. And profile of the tire is 195 55 16 inches tires. Hyundai badge at the center and small size of disc and good performance. So IMT written badge here. So this is a side profile, very nice, and running chrome treatment line on the windows, very nice. And coming to the chrome door handles, keyless entry button switch, and the line treatment of chrome is very nice. In C pillar here you can see the small size of glass. Coming to the rear, see the taillight design, Z shape of taillight design, very nice, unique design. And in detail here you can see the i20 badge of in taillight, mini i20 written on the car, and rear wiper and Hyundai badge, and see the line chrome treatment of continue rolling. And coming to the boot, so this is a boot of i20 all new 4th generation, 311 liters of boot space, and spare wheel is disappointing of not alloy wheel. And the profile of the spare wheel is very difficult to see the profile of the spare wheel, sorry for that. And nice fit and finish. And here you can see the base of speakers, here goes branding of base and hook on the other side, and light treatment and here. So nice fit and finish. So coming to the down, here you can see the sensors, and rear camera is here is a placement. Now it has been changed from the 3rd generation to 4th generation. Actually the camera should be placed here in the older generation. Now it has been changed to the number plate placement. Nice treatment, and views will be very nice at ground clearance. And see the design, very aggressive, and concentration of bumper, rear bumper, here you can see very nice forks on bumper, plastic and piano black finished, very nice and fit and finish. I like the taillights on this car, set shape of taillights. And here you can see the petrol lid as fixed in the taillight design only, it has been continue rolling, and petrol car. So let's, here you can see the shark fin antenna, BMW, and spoiler is very small now, it has been changed. And also i20 active, it has been changed to the another car, only in 2021 it will be reviewed. This is a 2021 car. Coming to the door, silver treatment on the door handle and power window, and no chrome finish of door handles. only plastic finish. And here you can see the speaker and tweeter, it has been fixed in it. Very nice performance of both speakers I will be shown, and 1 liter water bottle. Door pockets are large enough and nice treatment. Windows are large enough. Let's sit inside and see. So now it is under the support is some more lacking, more not much, some lacking, and headroom is massive enough for 6 feet also, and knee room is massive enough. Here you can see scooped out seats and magazine holders. So seats are very comfortable and cushion is very nice, and isofix seats are very nice and catching the person of seats. And see the weight design of windows, very large airy feeling inside the cabin, very nice. And at the C pillar, this window screen is very nice. And here you can see the center light, it is in yellow bulbs, so why not it LED of white. i20 made disappointing again. So coming to here, there is no headrest adjustable, very disappointing at this price segment, and we are expecting more and more from this successful vehicle of i20, but disappointing. And 3 seat belts, so here you can see fixed of 3 seat belts, again not fit and finish of seat belts, again disappointing. So black treatment of interior, very nice on this grey color. And here you can see the AC vents position is given here, same as older generation it has been. So here you can see the AC vents, and down here you can see the some space to keep some stuff and coin holders. And here you can see the 12 volts charging socket and USB port. There is no 12 volts charging socket in this, disappointing, again only a USB port. So it's a 12 volts charging socket, sorry for that. And directly you can connect the cable USB, but somewhat disappointing, features are missing out. So, and it's a no 30-60, no 40-60 splitted seats also, again disappointing. Let's go front and see. Nice treatment of door handles, here you can see. Nice treatment of that, and unique design it has been made. And coming to the door pockets of the front, power windows, adjustable buttons, lock system, and sideway mirror adjustable buttons. And here you can see the ambience lighting, blue color, very nice treatment, and it has been in 2 position. And in door pockets also you can carry that, and in door handles, nice cool treatment. And here you can see the 1 liter bottle holder, and speakers are design are very nice. Speaker design is very nice, I like the design on the speakers, nice treatment, sporty feeling. And let's close the door, nice shut downs, very smooth, and there is no electric adjustable of seats, disappointing again. So view is very nice now. So there is no test drive vehicle available in the i20 Hyundai. I have asked, but there is no available, sorry for that. So only I will be reviewing that also, don't worry. So first is first, center armrest to some space to keep the stuff.
Close till I get up.
So the thin cup holders, only single cup holders is fixed here. Coming to here, here is a handbrake position, very nice position. And here you can see the gear lever, it's IMT model variant is now, and it's a 7-speed gearbox. And here you can see the gear lever, very nice, same old design compared to 3rd generation to 4th generation now. And again Indian lighting, ambience lighting, here you can see the blue color, nice treatment, and it's a wireless charging. So very nice treatment, wireless charging. And here you can see the USB port and 12 volt charging socket manually. Manually you can do. And this is again USB port, again charging socket directly of connectivity of cable, USB cable charging. And these buttons for AC controls, auto climate control inside, and nice treatment of this. Full swipe of instrument cluster, nice treatment, blue color treatment, sporty feeling, and full digital meter, very nice, very nice. And coming to here, this is a AC auto climate control AC system, and very nice treatment. And these buttons are very nice for fan speed, this button for temperature, and overall nice treatment. Let's off, very noisy now. And this is a 12-inch touchscreen, and nice treatment in the infotainment system, nice infotainment system of 12-inch touchscreen. Running out fuel, search near petrol room, no. So nice information, lot of information on this vehicle. Information is set up. So sound, voice, device, vehicle, so vehicle settings, so driver assistant, parking safely, climate, internal air calculation. So open that, and activation of washer fuel use, blocking outside air into vehicle cabin. Very nice treatment. Very nice feature. Automatic ventilation. Nice, very nice automatic. Actually it should have all buttons, but it has been made now in the touchscreen. Very nice. Lights, headlight time out, and so headlight time, and doors, auto lock, vehicle off, enable on speeds, etc. Cluster, service internal energy consumption reset. Lot of information on this infotainment system. Very nice treatment. So okay, let's go back and see display. So this is the display. Daylight auto installation, brightness setup here, blue light setup. Here you can see adjustable of blue light setup, automatic, and it will be automatic of outside vehicle brightness at the sun, and button. This is display settings, Bluetooth audio, blue link, phone protection, display, home, etc. Lot of information. Mode, Bluetooth settings. Again you can change settings in the Bluetooth also. Lot of information. General settings. So in software information, here you can see of car and system information, manual, default, etc. You can scan and connectivity of Bluetooth directly, and Bluetooth remote lock. If you lock Bluetooth, so it will be locked, and no other connectivity of date and time settings, language, keyboard settings. So units, temperature, fuel efficiency, tire pressure. Lot of information has fixed in this infotainment system, and this also continues to instrument cluster. Nice treatment again that. So let's go to home, setup, blue link connectivity and active blue link modem information. Lot of information. Radio, check the audio, sorry for that. And power on off button. Here you can see the volumes adjustable of plus and minus, map, navigation, map. Here you can see nice treatment of touchscreen map. Lot of information. Complete Hyderabad is showing, and India also is showing. So this is Hyderabad. Okay, navigation settings, name, category, address book, Hyundai service. If you want to Hyundai service, you can search in this. Coordinates near to us, and route information, address, history, emergency hospitals near to us, Hyundai dealership near to us, cancel route in Orton, history, what are the history you have been searched recently. Lot of information. Excellent infotainment system. I like this infotainment system. Very nice, but only a brightness is very less. Now we can adjustable that too in these settings. So very nice. And again here you can see the auto dimming inside. Very nice treatment. Very nice. Here you can see auto dimming inside button switch and blue link switch here, and this is for tuning hook connectivity. If you press this, the tuning hook will backside automatically opens from the down bumper, and auto dimming inside. Very nice. This is for sun blinds. So again same treatment. This system has been continue from the 3rd generation to 4th generation. Light treatment should be somehow better in the white LEDs, and this side no light, only a mirror, and this side no mirror, no light. Disappointing again. So this instrument cluster is very nice. Let's check what are there in the instrument cluster. Accumulator information, gear indication at the top, fuel capacity at the top, and 2.4 kilometers of range. Accumulation for 48.3 kilometers, petrol 5.8 kilometers range, etc. Fuel economy, average, and driver infotainment system, driver information, and lot of information is set in this. So navigation for range. Navigation you can be seen from here only. Tire pressure information, accumulation information, lot of information. Gear indication, this is for speedometer, left side and right side is for RPM meter. It is somehow, and here you can see the lot of information of fuel. It is blinking now, and capacity of fuel, and here you can see the RPM meter in digital. Very nice treatment. And here you can see the temperature inside the cabin, and 48 kilometers of range. Lot of information in this blue sporty feeling of instrument cluster. Nice, very nice. And this is the steering of i20, and these buttons for infotainment system and call, receive and cut the call, Bluetooth connectivity left side. And here you can see the voice commands of button. For this, by pressing this button, voice command will automatically on, and you can operate you can ask this i20 to go to settings, radio, etc., reverse parking camera, etc. Lot of information. And these buttons for instrument cluster. Nice treatment. And see the sportive design in the i20. Very nice. And I like this steering design of silver finish of sporty feeling, and bottom is flat and lighter flat, and catching the steering is nice feel and feedback, very nice. And dashboard is massive cross cuttings on dashboard, and see the parts attached to the dashboard, very nice, and black treatment, harder on plastics, so disappointing again. So AC vents design is very nice, and continue rolling of AC vents design, and see the AC vents, these are two center AC vents, and the SLH switch is placed here, and there is one more AC vents, and this is a dummy at the center, and continue rolling of AC vents from the same design to continue to here and other side. So again here you can see the camera view on the side view mirror button is this, and so this is for lever of adjustable of high beam and low beam, and this lever is right side lever is for adjustable of indicator and lights. Lot of information again on there in your button, and these are again you can see the lot of modes in the wiper control of the left side lever, very nice treatment, and round feeling or round design of steering, very nice. Hyundai badge at the center, total 6 airbags on this car, nice. Again I like this treatment on the seats, very nice. Fabric finish, fabric and rubber finish of leather finish, leather and fabric finish of seats. See the lines on the center, very nice, and stitches. See the white black seats and white treatment of stitching, very nice, and silver treatment line, chrome treatment again here, nice, very nice, and black color interior design, very nice. And headrest is adjustable at the front, obviously it should be, and view is excellent at the front, and airy feeling inside the cabin, very nice. Let's check the reverse camera. So this is the reverse camera, adaptive guidelines, very nice treatment, and 360-degree camera at the upside, and very nice treatment again that. So lot of information, excellent. This infotainment system, I like this infotainment system, 12-inch touchscreen. So overall good, I like this infotainment system, excellent, lot of information on that. So it's changing the modes and time, date, FM radio, etc, everything shown in this infotainment system, nice treatment, and with a design nice, and soft plastics on lower side and hard plastics on dashboard, very nice. Again some disappointing but very nice treatments, and they done the design is very nice and unique design, I can say, aggressive designs again on i20 of 4th generation, completely changed as first generation, but second and third generation is continuously same, but in this 4th generation 2021 has completely changed, and excellent performance, I can say, awesome performance of interior. I give 10 out of 9 to this interior of design, and nice information on the instrument cluster, infotainment system, nice treatment. And again down side you can see 2 pedals, it's IMT, only 2 pedals. The capacity of fuel is 36 liters of fuel capacity, and the mileage of this vehicle is, in city rides it gives around 19 kilometers, and in city rides it gets around 13 kilometers as Hyundai said, and in highway it gets around 19 kilometers per liter as Hyundai said. Overall nice treatment. So 311 boot space, the boot space has decreased from the 3rd generation to 4th generation, so overall nice. So please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, follow my Instagram link in the description. If you like the video, please give thumbs up and share to your friends. This is 2021 of i20. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, see you in the next video.